all have a great week. So today I am unboxing, it got beat up in the mail, is my Fashom box. But look how teeny it is. I think I picked out all shirts this time, so that's why it's so small. So, my name is Robin and this is my roaming closet. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I've met so many wonderful, wonderful YouTubers. So, let's get started. Fashom is, you let them know when you want something, so it doesn't come automatically every month or on a timeline. You work with a stylist, let her know what you like, and then she sends you a preview of, I want to say there might be 7 items in your basket, and then you just pick out 5. And if you don't like anything, you just have her start over. And I want to say it's a $15 styling fee, but I will leave a link below for a discount to, I'm not sure if it waives it or only charges you $5, but whatever you pay for the styling fee is credited to anything that you buy. And what's nice about Fashom is you only have to buy 3 pieces to get a 25% discount, which is totally awesome. And then if you buy all 5, you get a 30% discount. And I got a box, I don't know, a month or 2 ago, and they sent me an email, and I think they were offering me a $50 credit. So anything I buy, I think I get a $50 credit. I'll find out when I check out how all that works, and I think my stylist actually sent me an email as to how to apply that credit. So let's get into it. As I said, this is like a teeny box, but it's summer, so there's probably some small tops. The first thing you get is your Hello Beautiful, and it has everything with the prices, and then it tells you what to do. And of course they send you a return envelope. I just have to remember if this is UPS or post office. I think it is, oh, it's the post office. I love when I can just return through the post office. And it comes all wrapped up in this tissue paper. So here's my colorful bundle. So let's get into it. I hope you guys had a great weekend and did some fun stuff, and that you had no rain and sunshine like we did here in Washington. Okay, the first shirt that is in here is cute. It's by Staccato in a large. It doesn't look bra friendly, so I'll have to get out that strapless, and you know how much I love that thing. But it is super cute. Okay. And the next thing is a really pretty color. It's like a teal. Nope. This isn't bra friendly. I think I picked it because I liked the color and the style. And then look at the back. And it's also by Staccato in a large. And the next thing, I love, what is it? I love beauty subscriptions. Amanda's channel, she loves purple. And so this is really cute. It's got this sleeve. I know a lot of people aren't liking it because it's getting kind of old, but I love this sleeve. And it's a really pretty color. And this is by MTS, and it must be a large, but that's really pretty. And the next one is also got the purple. It's by Viamour, but it's just a comfortable throw on top. And the last one, I don't know if I picked this because it's really not my style. It is by Naked Zebra, and it's a medium. And it's got the cross front, but it just doesn't look like my kind of top. So we can go over the pricing. If the subtotal of this was $203, if I kept all 5, which it doesn't look I'm going to, you save 30%. So the whole, and that's a $60.90 discount. It would be $142.10. And then I'm pretty sure I have this $50 credit, so I could get all of this for less than $100. And but I'm just not liking that pink one. But you know, you say something before you try it on, and you try it on and you totally change your mind. So I will be right back with the try on. Okay, I am back with the first top. This is the Naked Zebra Zion Wrap blouse in a size large, and it's $42. I didn't check to see what the material is, but I don't like it. It kind of fits nice, but it's that, especially when it gets warm, it kind of clings to you, so I'm thinking it's like a polyester in there. I'll check after I take it off. It's a medium. It fits nice. Nothing falls out. Turn around. But I'm just not crazy about it, and to be honest, I'm not really liking the light pink color. So let me know what you think of this one, and I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I could not find the material on the last top or this top that I have on, but it's super, super soft, and it's the Panamx sleeveless floral top. It's in a large, and it's $42. I like the top. I think it's pretty. It'll go with a lot. I guess I'm just having a problem with $42 for just a simple, flowy summer top. I don't know if that's the going price. I'll show you the neckline. It's really cute. If I get it with the discount, then it's more to me in line with $42. But I just have a tough time when you can go to like TJ's or somewhere and probably get the same top for maybe $20, $25. So let me know your comments on this, and I will be right back with the next top. Okay, the last top was 95% polyester, but it was also hand wash. This top that I'm wearing is 95% rayon, and it is also hand wash. But I do like this top. It is the Mitten Shop Striped Twisted Hem Cold Shoulder, and this is $39. And this feels $39 worth. It's really nice and comfortable. Again, it's got the sleeves, and I don't mind these sleeves. Bra friendly, so you know I'm loving that. And it's got the little twisty below. I absolutely love the color. It's so comfortable, but hello, it's hand wash. So I'm used to getting clothes in a hand wash because I don't want them to shrink. Because I'm a little chesty, I can't afford anything just to go like super tight across the bust. So I am a hand wash person, but I just don't want every top in a hand wash. So the next two tops are the ones that I need to wear strapless, but I'm not going to put one on. So I'm going to apologize in advance. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am wearing the staccato v-neck solid tank top. It's $39, and I'm sure it's gonna have to be hand washed, A, because of the color and the fit. I don't think it's $39 worth, only because it just looks like a cami. I got this because I like the color and I like the back. But it is fitting, if you can see, just a little short in the front, and of course I got the belly. So let me know what you think of it. As I said, I think it's cute. I would wear it with a strapless bra. It's got this little crisscross, but for $39, again, I just don't think the prices go with the quality. So I have done one more top and I'll be right back. It is so stinking hot today out here, so I apologize if I'm glowing. I absolutely love this top. I can make it tighter. It's a little bit big over here, but the straps do adjust. And again, I would wear it with the strapless bra, but I just love how airy and comfortable it is. And this is the staccato v-neck button-down sleeveless stripe top, and it's $41. Again, what makes this $41? And I'm probably gonna have to hand wash it. The length is good. Again, I could just throw this on with a pair of shorts and I'd be super comfortable. The back is really cute. You can see it. Again, I'm not wearing the right bra, but I actually love this top. But is it me, or are these prices just kind of off the chart for what you get? So give me a second and I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. I liked the tops, all but that first pink one I really didn't like. What I don't like is these prices. I don't live near like stores or malls or anything, so if I could just run up to a TJ or a Ross, I could probably get these same pieces, to be honest. But because in Arizona and in Washington, I live in the middle of nowhere, that's why I do a lot of these subscription boxes. So if it seems like I'm a little, complaining about the prices, it's because it doesn't really leave me much of a choice but to order online. So I'm probably not going to get the green little tank top. Hold on, I'll grab my stuff. Sorry about that. I'm probably not gonna get this. I probably wouldn't get a lot of use out of it, and it's a little pricey. I'm thinking I could go get a camisole. This one I'm gonna keep. I loved how comfortable it is. I love the color. The price actually was close to being the right price. I know it's hand wash, but again, I'm used to hand wash. So this will go in the keep. This one I liked. It was comfortable, throw on top. I liked the crisscross. I think this was one of the $41. So what I'm gonna do is see how much it would be probably to get the 3 that I want to keep. So this would be in the keeper pile for now. And this pink one, no. I didn't like the feel of it. Not crazy about the color. The style wasn't bad. The crisscross part wasn't bad. And I'd like to keep this cute little one that I still have on. So if I kept, oh, it's so hot, sorry. It would be, I'm just going to round up, 40, 80, $122 for 3 tops. And then I could take the 25% off. So the 3 tops would probably be under $100. So it comes out to about 30 something a top. So let me know what you thought of this. I do have to send this back, so I'm probably going to have to make my decisions without you, because by the time I edit and upload and everything, the box will, be due back. But then I forgot I have the $50 credit. So out of that, whatever, 80, 90, I could take 50 and then I could get the 3 tops for 40. Then it's totally worth it. So I will let you know what happened. Thank you so much. This video goes for the contest, so if you watch the whole video, either leave a comment or give me a couple cactuses and you'll be entered into the drawing. What I'm going to do is I am going to pick a comment out of every single video that I post this month, and then I'll put those in a bucket and I'll draw the 2 winners. And if all goes so well, I might even add another winner to it. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment. I am getting my hair done on Saturday, so you won't see this huge mess. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.